Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious Mexican street barbacoa tacos. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. We're going to begin by cooking 6 pounds of your favorite cut of meat. I'll be using my Instant Pot, and to that I'm going to add 1 pound of beef short ribs, 3 pounds of chuck roast, and 2 pounds of chuck tender roast, along with 1 onion, 7 garlic cloves, 4 bay leaves, a bundle of cilantro, salt, and black pepper. Now cover everything with water to the max line. Close the Instant Pot. Make sure that you set it on sealing, and we're going to cook for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Once our meat is done cooking, we're going to release the steam. So be very careful. It's done, we're going to open it. And now we're going to remove our meat. And it should be nice and tender. Okay, we're also going to remove the bay leaves, the cilantro. Reserve half of the onion. Along with the garlic head, we're going to discard that. But keep half of an onion. And the meat is so tender. Careful. Once we remove the meat, we're going to add 10 New Mexico chile pods. Make sure that you clean them, along with 2 chile anchos. We're going to allow them to soak for about 7 minutes. And while we wait, we're going to shred our meat, so it should be very easy. So just go like that. I'm going to get rid of some of the fat. Once we have our meat all nice and shredded, we're going to set it to the side, and now we can get back to our chiles. Okay, so for our chiles, we're just going to transfer them to our blender cup. Okay, so carefully we're going to strain the broth. Now we can make our adobo sauce. To our blender cup, we're going to add the half an onion, 5 garlic cloves, 3 chipoles in adobo sauce, a small piece of cinnamon, 10 allspice berries, 8 whole cloves, 1.5 tablespoons of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of thyme, along with half a cup of vinegar. And now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. And once we have our sauce, now we can get ready to put it with our meat. In our Dutch oven over medium heat, we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of lard. Once the lard has melted, we're going to add our meat. So now we're going to fry our meat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to add our sauce, and I just filled up my blender cup with more broth. So now we're just going to pour it in. So now we're just going to mix it and bring it to a simmer. And once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you want to add any more. And for me, it's perfect, so now we're just going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting and allow it to continue simmering for about 15 minutes. So while we wait, we're going to make our salsa. So we're going to begin by roasting 12 tomatillos. Okay, so once our tomatillos are ready, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup. And now we're going to roast 5 chile puya. So just be careful. And toast them for a couple seconds. So once you see them puff, they're ready. We're going to do the same with our chile de árbol. I'm using 10. But of course, it's all going to depend on how spicy you want your salsa. And lastly, we got 1 chile ancho. Make sure that you clean it. And that should puff as well. Okay, and once it's ready, we're going to transfer it with our blender cup. Okay, so now we can get ready to make our salsa. Our blender cup, we're also going to add 1 garlic clove, salt, and a half a cup of water. And now we're just going to blend everything together until we have a smooth salsa. Okay, and just like that, we have our delicious salsa. So now we can transfer it to our bowl. Okay, so just taste it for salt and see if you want to add any more. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to set it to the side and go back to our barbacoa. Okay, so now we're going to turn it off and skim the top. That's all the fat that we're going to use for our tacos. Okay, so once we have our barbacoa, now we're going to set it to the side and get our comal ready for our tacos. Okay, so our comal is set on medium heat. Now we're going to melt a little bit of lard. Okay. Now we're going to grab a tortilla, dip it into the oil that we reserved. And we're going to allow them to blister. And once it's ready, we're going to flip it over. Okay, so now we can get ready to add our barbacoa. Add it to the meat. We're just going to allow our tortillas to get nice and hard, nice and crunchy. And use your pinzas because it is hot. So when the tortillas are nice and hard, they are ready. So let's get them out of there. Get your plate. And we can get ready to serve. And once we have all of our tacos, now we can get ready for the fun part. All right, guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So of course you want to make sure that as soon as the tacos leave the griddle, you want to serve them and enjoy them. So we're going to start by squeezing a little lime juice. I am so ready. A little onion. Some cilantro. And of course, our delicious barbacoa salsa. And it's spicy, so just add as much as you want. A little more onion. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious Mexican style barbacoa tacos. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that we are so ready. Like, it smells delicious, and of course, you know who doesn't love tacos. And of course, you know, if you're watching your diet, then just skip on the lard. But other than that, let me tell you that these tacos are honestly the best. So cheers and enjoy. It's hot. Another dog. So good. The salsa, the barbacoa, it's perfect. And like I said, you know, you can use cheek, tongue, whatever you want for your meat. But this is our type of meat that we love and enjoy, so can never go wrong. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious Mexican street barbacoa tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.